But Stanislav, I don't know how to prove the legitimacy how I made my money for the purpose of E-2 visa. Today, guys, we're gonna be discussing this very important topic, how you can avoid the mistakes when you prepare the documents to prove the source of funds for E-2 visa. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your E-2 case. Let's go! Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. And we are talking about E-2 visa right here, right now, because this visa is one of the best solutions to the businesses across the world to come here in the US and scale up massively. Of course, you have to be from the country that signed the treaty agreement with the US, and of course, and the link to all the countries you can find below this video. But today we're going to be talking more about the difficulties with the proof of the source of your funds. So this is an advanced topic for E-2 visa. If you're not ready for advanced stuff, for very dense information, just forget about it, skip it, and watch this video first on the basics of E-2 visa, where I explain what exactly it takes step by step to get it done. But the money is number one. We all know that for the purpose of E-2 visa, we need to invest at least $100,000 in an existing business, so basically purchasing it, or in a startup business. All right, so basically starting up the business, having an office, having a business plan, investing the money in that business and filing for E-2 visa. Big chunk of that petition, of that filing, is going to be explaining how did you make your money. And let's get to the bottom of this, because a lot of time, Stanislav, I sold my house, I'm good. I got all the papers, that's good, I get the transaction, I get the wire in my account, so I'm going to use that money. It's a great start to see if we're good with the source of funds. However, that's only the beginning of the issue, okay? I like to unfold this thing from where the money is right now. And hopefully the money is somewhere, okay? It's not under the mattress. It's not, you didn't dig a hole in your backyard and put it in a can. So hopefully it's in a bank account. We need to unfold how it got there. And every time when I hear, I sold the house, it's good. But how did you buy it? It's not enough to show to the government that you sold the house. They want to know how and when did you buy it and what money did you use. So the bottom line of every source of fund goes to a few things, and I'm going to list them, all right? And guys, smash that like button, because no other attorney is telling you what's the bottom line source of funding for your E-2 visa. Only I'm doing this because I want you to be successful. I'll be happy if you work with my company, but if you don't, and if I contribute to your success, that makes me happy. So smash that like button and give me that love and respect, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what are the best sources of funds. Number one is your salary. One of the easiest things, and I know not everybody gets $100,000 salary a year, but for the period of time, 5-7 years, you could accumulate your money as a salary. And of course you pay the taxes, because every salary in most countries automatically taxed. So this is not a problem, okay? Especially if you accumulated that money in the same checking account in your bank. Number two, dividends from your business. I believe this is an amazing way to get your source of funding. And of course, you need to pay the taxes on that and show all the transaction. Number three is the inheritance. One of the best ways, because it's presumed then when somebody dies, which is a sad thing, but whatever that person had went through the court system, through the tax system of the country, and basically you get that money free of any encumbrances. And sorry guys for the word encumbrances. This is like a legalese. So no limitation of that money, right? Like no tax liens, no unpaid taxes, no loans, no credit. So it's a free money, basically free money, ready to start moving forward. Number 4 is a little bit unconventional because it's a lottery win or a lawsuit. Let's say you fell, you slipped and fell, you got injured. I mean, it's also a sad story, but you got paid by the store or auto shop, whatever that is, and you have that money. So you may use that. And last but not least, guys, and this is one of the best ways, and a lot of attorneys trying to keep it secret, even if they know, but I don't. Okay, again, I want you to be successful. If you take a loan from a company that belongs to you or anybody else in the world, and you sign that loan, the promissory note, with your personal guarantee, and you get that money, all we need to prove that basically that business, that company, has the ability to give you that money and that they pay the taxes, which is really easy to show with the companies. This is one of the best ways to go. And I also want to share with you the experience of my recent client who is from Great Britain. But before that, guys, get the free evaluation of your E-2 visa. Go down below this video, find the link, it's gonna say free evaluation business visa. Fill it out. Give me as many details as you can. And within 2 days, I will get back to you and give you a free analysis of your case. And we'll let you know if you have a potential, okay? And if you do, then you will come to the complex immigration planning where I will build a winning written strategy for your case. What happened with the last case with my client from UK? Everything was just great. He used the combination of the inheritance from his parents and also dividends from his business in Hungary. And there was no problem. The business was good. All the taxes paid, that's what he showed. He accumulated dividends on his personal account. He kept the inheritance in the form of cash on his other account. So we combined these two accounts, transferred to the business checking in the US company, made all the expenses, and then packed it all up and sent it to the embassy. And the embassy loved it. They basically approved it. As of today, they requested a few more documents on his education and his kids and his family. That's it. So that means they want to approve, just want to make sure everything is okay. So that case is just amazing because he used 2 out of the 5 ways that I recommended to him. And of course, there's more. There are more ways. Cryptocurrencies, loans from the banks, and loans private loan. There's a lot of things to go, but those are the main ones. So guys, if you want to learn more about this kind of stuff on talent visas and business and investment visas, you have to follow me on YouTube. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the like button because you love my content, and smash the bell button not to miss the videos that I release at least twice a week. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.